Now let us see about dictionaries. Dictionaries are similar to the list, but dictionaries can store the keys and values. Suppose, so dictionary starts with flower brackets and close with flower brackets. We can store the keys, like let us say John, and we can store the values also. Age is equal to 21. We can say Peter is equal to 35, and Bob is equal to 44. So we have created a dictionary. Dictionary stores keys and values. Now let us see what is age. We can use the print also. Age. Now let us, if you want to find the age of John, we can just write John age and give the value John. So John is 21. Age, we can add the values to the dictionary. So now let us add one more name. Let us say Williams and give the age as 55. So successfully we have added. So Williams 55 is added to the dictionary. So we can also mix the data types. Let us say we are storing the dictionary, something like dict1, let us say, is equal to flower brackets. We can write John with the value of, like let us say married, comma, and we can Peter here, let us say colon 21, 23, and we can also give 33, which is 1024. We can mix all the data types, whether it is a key or values. You can use the strings or the integer values, or you can use, if you want, you can use also floats. Now dict1. So this is how we create a dictionary. So suppose there is one more advantage. So we should always remember that there should be one key, but values can be any number. Like we can create a list. So there is a list 1, list 2, list 3. So we can create a dictionary adding the list 1, list 2, list 3 in it. Suppose for example, like A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to, I am showing just for example, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like this we will be creating lists. So in the dictionary what we can do, we can add all the lists, like let us say A contains the value inside the square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and comma. Now let us say B. Values can be n numbers. Square brackets inside that 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let us print the dict2. So this is how we can store the entire list into the dictionaries also, and you can mix the data types also. Let us now say we want to print the age of Bob. Print age, and inside that gives that string, because it is string Bob. It is 44. Now if you want to delete, like let us say John from the dictionary, what we can do, we can say del age Bob. Now if you print age, Bob is successfully deleted. So these are some of the few functions of dictionaries. Dictionaries are very useful in Python. It is very dynamic data types which no other programming language contains. So hope you understood. So once you created, I want to say like age, when we press dot, because whatever variable you create, it is a object of dictionary. So it will show all the methods inside it. You can use all of them. So some of them we will be seeing in the next video. So this is how we can create a dictionary. We can add items to the dictionary. We can access the values of the key using the key, and we can also add the entire list. Like in this example, we have created a dict2. So hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.